For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Want restaurant-quality smoothies and perfectly crushed ice right in your kitchen? The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro Plus Personal Single Serve is designed for blending everything from smoothies to sauces and chopped veggies effortlessly. From my own experience, this blender made my morning smoothies creamy and ice crushed perfectly without any chunks. This product comes with an 1800-watt motor and BlendSense technology, which makes blending fast, efficient, and consistently smooth. 72-ounce full-size pitcher, ideal for family-size smoothies and drinks. Total crushing and chopping blade assembly, crushes ice, chops veggies, and prepares ingredients efficiently. One-touch chop programs for sauces, dips, and more. Variable speed, 10-speed manual control in the full-size pitcher for precise blending. 1800 peak watt motor, effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruits. I love how it handles tough ingredients without slowing down. BlendSense technology automatically detects the thickness of ingredients for smooth consistency. My smoothies came out silky every time. 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for prepping drinks for the whole family. I made a batch of green smoothies for 3 in one go. Total crushing and chopping blades, makes meal prep fast like chopping veggies for salsa. It's precise and saves time. Single-serve cups, great for busy mornings. I grab my smoothie and go without any cleanup hassle. Performance and usability. Using this blender daily has been a game changer. The consistency of my smoothies, the ease of cleaning, and the simple one-touch programs make it extremely reliable. I also appreciate how intuitive the dial is, letting me blend like a pro without guesswork. Additional benefits. Quiet motor operation compared to other high-powered blenders. Durable build and versatile functionality make it perfect for everyday use. The single-serve cups add unmatched convenience for busy mornings. Overall, from my experience, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro Plus Personal Single Serve delivers smooth, consistent results and is incredibly user-friendly. It blends everything effortlessly and is perfect for families, busy individuals, or anyone wanting high-quality smoothies and easy meal prep at home.